I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Jeep Patriot with keys inside. First, always double-check all doors and the trunk, as one might be unlocked. If you have a spare key, that's your easiest solution. Consider calling a family member or friend who might have access to your spare. These simple steps can often resolve the situation quickly and without any extra tools or cost. If the basic checks don't work, you might try a Slim Jim or a wedge tool. Carefully insert a wedge into the top corner of the door frame to create a small opening. Then, slide a Slim Jim or a long, rigid wire into the gap to reach the lock. The goal is to hook or press the unlock mechanism. Remember to be gentle to prevent any damage to your vehicle's paint or internal wiring. Sometimes, the best and safest option is to call for professional help. A certified locksmith has specialized tools and expertise to unlock your Jeep Patriot without causing damage. If you have a roadside assistance membership, this is the perfect time to use it. Many auto insurance policies also include lockout services, so check your coverage. These professionals can usually arrive quickly and get you back on the road. To avoid future lockouts, proactive measures are key. Always carry a spare key, perhaps on a different keychain or in your wallet. A magnetic hide-a-key box, discreetly placed on your vehicle, can be a lifesaver. Also, consider a remote start system. Many allow you to unlock doors with your smartphone or a separate fob. These simple habits can save you time and stress down the line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.